Oh, thank you. Even you took the sip, huh? These are the pool-friendly ones. Stay focused, Adele. Stay focused. Stay focused, Adele. Think about like what angles people would want to see. They'd want to know what's on the counter, so you're showing that. They'd want to know where the fridge is, so you're showing that. They'd want to know the seating option, so you're showing that. They'd want to know if there's a fan, so you're showing that. They'd want to know the storage option, so you're showing that. They'd want to see the closet, so you're showing that. But you're catering to the people that watch your videos, and the people who watch your videos don't give a damn how many robes and such. Overshot. Really? Whoa. What happened? Oh God.
Waves is still.
Oh my
shit.
God.
Oh yeah, waves is coming up. Oh, waves is coming up.
Oh God, there were no waves before.
That's what I'm saying, waves is coming up. Look, shit is hitting the water. This is a hurricane.
Everybody inside, you do not want to get struck by this.
This is white folk. So sorry. These for crazy. So that girl is for persuasion.
Why is he getting a towel? You don't need any more towels, sir.
Jump in the pool, good brother. Jump in the pool.
Well, so what happened to all the beach, you know, because the beach had mattresses.
That shit flying. Hey, white brother, jump in the pool.
Oh, God. What?
I didn't see, they taking them down. I thought that shit was floating.
What?
The umbrellas.
Oh. Oh, they better run. Do they need help? I mean, I'm not helping.
It's marvelous though, ain't it?
Ah!
Oh, yes. Oh.
Oh, my God. You guys remember that storm that I was taping? Well, now we're in a blackout.
This is where I didn't know about that.
A blackout at a resort on an island during a storm with electrical locks on the door. I don't know. Oh. How to walk into the water in Cozumel. Step 1, have swim shoes. Step 2, know that it's not going to be as bad as the man-made islands of cruise ships. Step 3, know that there are going to be big rocks. Step 4, just walk over the big rocks. Step 5, don't be a punk. Step 6, don't be afraid of little fishies. Step 7, know that you're never going to be shoulder deep. Step 8, have good knees because you're going to need to bend down to get those shoulders wet. Step 9, watch where you're going because your swim shoe could get stuck. Step 10, have fun. Beautiful. You're with me in this water. have it at Finest. We just had dinner there, guys. I mean, what?